Morning all of you, myself Lushali Thorat, and now we will discuss about the topic Clairaut's equations of higher first order and higher degree Clairaut's type. What is Clairaut's equation? Clairaut's equation definition: the equation in the form of y equals to px plus f of p is known as Clairaut's equation. Whenever we see an equation in the form of y equals to px plus f of p, we say that this is the Clairaut's equation. Now we will try to solve this equation to get a general solution. Here y equals to px plus f of p. Here p equals to dy by dx. Now first of all we have to differentiate it with respect to x on both sides. Then equation dy by dx equals to px means u into v form. Differentiate this p into 1 plus x into dp by dx plus f dash of p into dp by dx. dy by dx, we also write dy by dx equals to p, so we will write p equals to p plus dp by dx into in bracket x plus f dash of p. We take dp by dx as common and this is in bracket. pp gets cancelled, we get 0 equals to dp by dx into in bracket x plus f dash of p. And we will now solve this equation. Then we get dp by dx equals to 0 or dp equals to 0. Now we will do integrate. We will integrate dp equals to 0 by integrating dp equals to 0, we get p equals to c. Now we have to put this value in the equation number 1. Putting p equals to c in equation 1, we get y equals to cx plus f of c. This is the general solution of Clairaut's equation. General solution of Clairaut's equation. Now we will discuss the examples of Clairaut's equation. Now we will solve the examples of Clairaut's equation to solve. First example is y equals to p of x plus a by p. Whenever we see this type of equation, we have to first of all differentiate it with respect to x. This is the equation number 1. By differentiating with respect to x, with x we get dy by dx equals to p of 1 plus x into dp by dx plus a into a by the differentiation of a by p is minus 1 by p square. 1 by p is minus 1 by p square dp by dx. Here p is dependent variable, so do not treat it as a constant. We put dy by dx as equals to p, dy by dx equals to p. Then we get p equals to p plus x into dp by dx minus a by p square into dp by dx. Now we have to take common dp by dx. P gets cancelled. Then dp by dx into x minus a by p square equals to 0. Here dp by dx equals to 0. So dp will also be equals to 0. And when we integrate dp equals to 0, by integrating we get dp equals to c. This value we have to put in the equation number 1. By putting value, we get y equals to c of x plus a by c. C of x a by c. This is the general solution of this equation. Of the equation number 1, y equals to p of x plus a by p. We just put p as equals to c. Now we will discuss about the second example. The second example is py equals to p square x minus 1 plus a. This equation is not in Clairaut's form. So first of all, we have to get this equation in Clairaut's form. So we have to divide p on both sides. By dividing p on both sides, we get y equals to p of x minus 1, x minus, this is b, x minus b plus a by p. This is the equation number 1. Now this equation is in the form of y equals to p of x plus f of p. So we can put p as equals to c. So the solution will become y equals to c into x minus b plus a by c. This is the general solution of the equation, and this is the answer of this equation. Now the third example is y equals to px plus ap into 1 minus p number 1. This equation is in Clairaut's form, so we directly can get answer y equals to px plus ap to 1 minus p. We have to first of all differentiate it with respect to x. By differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to x into dp by dx, u into v formula, dp by dx plus p into 1, here also u into v formula, plus a into dp by dx minus a into twice p dp by dx. We have to put dy by dx as equals to p. Dy by dx equals to p. We get p equals to x into dp by dx plus p plus a into dp by dx minus a into twice p into dp by dx. Here dp by dx we should take common. Then we get 0 equals to dp by dx. P and p will get cancelled. 0 equals to dp by dx into in bracket x plus a minus twice ap. This value cannot be 0. So the dp by dx will get 0 equals to 0 and dp equals to 0. We have to integrate dp. By integrating we get p equals to c. We have to put this value in equation number 1, and equation number 1 is y equals to px plus ap to 1 minus v. By putting p equals to c, we get y equals to cx plus a into c 1 minus c. This is the general solution of the equation number 1. General solution. Thank you.